Guerrilla warfare technique. It's an irregular form of warfare where a smaller group or a weaker force which will fight with the large or a strong army by using what? Speed, surprise and knowledge. Knowledge about the terrain. Terrain is nothing but the surrounding which they are. Okay, they know about the locality. Then they attack the enemy. Okay, instead of open battle. Suppose if there is open battle, there is a chances that this small army or the weaker force, okay, they can be either small or they might be weaker than the other person. So they might lose the battle if there is an open battle. That's why they go for this guerrilla warfare, which is a sudden and surprise attack. Objective is not necessarily to, their objective is not to destroy the enemy, but to indirectly defeat them. They don't want to kill everyone or destroy everyone, but they should know that the smaller army is also powerful enough. It is a sudden attack. Origin of the term. It is a Spanish term, which means guerrilla means little war. Basic principle. Here there will be a surprise attack. There, the enemy should never know when and where it will happen. Next is hit and run. It is attacking quickly and then leaving the area immediately. Withdrawing immediately. Mobility. The troops will move rapidly and they will not stay in one place. Once they attack, it is done, they leave the place. Terrain advantage. The troop, the army, the smaller army should have a good knowledge about mountain, forest, rivers and valleys so that in case they want to escape, they can easily hide in these regions if they are aware about their locality. So that they will win it. Next, spy. There will be spy who will collect the information related to food supply, arms and weapons, transport, communication, so that instead of attacking the army of the enemy, they can cut off these supplies. They can cut off the information related to transport or communication, and it will become more easier for them to defeat the enemy. Next is it also avoids open battle. Open battle might favor the stronger army or the army with more number of people. So this is much better than the open battle. Thank you.